I have already made my submission in the House. What did I say? If you go through the whole proceeding of yesterday's, that the proceeding that was recorded for as far as that particular item is concerned, what will you see? You will see the same thing which I have said. I have cautioned and I have advised the CM to see that he disassociate. So that is my advice. And I have also said, I'm sure you won't get offended because I am suggesting that the Chief Minister should dissociate his association. Since, in view of what was carried by the national media, I feel that he should.
The CM has asked you to give the status of that particular case.
That is my prerogative. That is my prerogative, and it is also his responsibility to find out. He should rather go after the man and find out what exactly has happened to the case. And is he still, in any way, directly or indirectly associating with other friends? Because it is not only one person. Along with that person, there are other persons from Delhi. So whether they are still in those kind of activity or not is up to him. He has all the ways and means to find out. He can just write to Government of India, to the concerned authorities and find out. What did I say? That means I have said that put a scanner in view of what has happened. How will you interpret? This interpretation is simple. Any layman will understand what Dr. Mukul Sangma has suggested.